मैंने वो देख लिया था कि ज़्यादा पतला नहीं करना है ना, कि जितना वो फेस है सूट करना चाहिए, राइट? वैसा ही होगा। चोट कभी लगी थी नोज पे?
नहीं, एक डायरेक्ट नोज पे नहीं लगी थी आगे।
ओके, ठीक। If you see this particular patient, he was not very happy with his wide based nose, and on the other hand, he didn't want it to change too much or look pinched, because he felt that he's got a broad face and too sharp or too narrow nose will also not look good on his face, and he didn't want his entire identity to be changed. He told me, I want very similar nose to what is existing. It is just I want a sharper and much well defined tip and a narrow ella. You can see on table that the result is absolutely according to what he needed. And if you look at the nostrils also, they have been trimmed according to his choice. The tip looks pretty sharp, and once the swelling settles down, it's going to look a lot better than what you are seeing on the table. And also, if you see from below, it's a closed rhinoplasty. Closed rhinoplasty, the patient healed better and the results are pretty good. But it can only be done in selected cases. Revisions, obviously, we need to open it up and see what the previous surgeon has done. But in primary, like majority, can be dealt in a closed way.
I am from Gurgaon and I had a septorhinoplasty. I had a deviated septum. I was facing some breathing issue as well, and my nose was a bit bulbous at the tip, and then I wanted aesthetic dorsal line that I didn't have before. So I was searching for, like, I was having consultation with a lot of doctors in and outside India. Like, I had consultation with doctors in Istanbul, Turkey, then some in South Korea and in Canada as well, as I live in Canada. Then last month I came across Dr. Monisha Kapoor's Instagram account, and I booked my consultation online. I talked to ma'am, and then I felt like there was, like, ma'am ne jaise explained कि I felt confident about it. So I had my visit planned for this month, and I came back to India and come back for a reconsultation. And then after ma'am से बात करने के बाद, like how she explained everything, I felt very confident about it. Like, she told me everything, like what I wanted to do with my nose. And since it's the center part of the face, I was like very nervous at first, but then ma'am somehow convinced me to do it. And today is my 10th day, and my cast is removed today. I really like the look what I got now. Like, as you can see, my tip is narrowed now. I have got a good dorsal line. Like my nose bones, they were wide before, but now they're good. So I'm happy with my results. I'm very satisfied.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.